welcome back to my channel. So today I was debating if I should do like a twist style or whatever, but I think I'm gonna do the twist style tomorrow. Today I just need like a little nice little, I don't know, life back into my hair. So I'm gonna do a slick back bun, okay? But this time I would just take my hair and I boop 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 boop, and we out. But I'm gonna take my time, you know. I'm gonna break it in half, you know. Ooh, I'm gonna take my time, break it in half, and then basically do like in sections like this. You know, see, like sections like this, and slick it down, and then keep on going, keep on going. So I don't know yet. So I have this Eco Styler gel, which I love, and then I have this mousse that I also want to try, but I feel like you can't mix it together. And then I had this leave-in also, but this is a thick leave-in, and I have my water bottle. My dog's a menace. See how he wants to chew on my silk scarf? Oh man. Okay, I got my water bottle. I'm just gonna spray my hair a little bit. So first I'm going to section my hair ear to ear. So after I part the section from ear to ear, I clip the two fronts away and I work with the back section. You're going to see me spray it with water and then add some more leave-in to it. So once I finish applying the leave-in, I'm just going to section off my hair. It doesn't really matter. Do it how you want, big, small. For me, I think I did them like a little bit medium. I didn't do them too small and I didn't do it too big. And then once you have your section, you're going to clip the rest that you're not using away. So for this style, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel just to lay it down. And then I'm going to go in with my brush to make sure that it's really flat and smooth. But you don't want to brush it through your whole hair. You want to leave the ends, the curly parts. You just want the roots to be real nice and soft and smooth. And then once you have that section all brushed out, you're just going to want to put an elastic band just to keep it silky smooth. And for this style, I did brush my ends out just because I wanted a puffy look in the back, not so much of a curly look. And so you're just going to repeat the steps. You're going to section off, wet it depending if it's dry, and then put the gel on there, and then comb it out. Comb the roots if you don't want a puffy looking look, like at the end. If you want it curly, just brush the root, but if you want that puffy look, you can brush the whole hair, add the Eco, brush some more, and then put the elastic on it to keep it smooth. And then basically you just repeat the same steps over again. So once I have the hair as flat as I want it to be, now I'm gonna start doing my edges. Now guys, I want to get better at doing edges because I feel like I'm not the best at them. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, leave it down in the comment below. I would definitely be using them. I don't know, I just want, I don't know, I want to try those little curly things that you guys be doing in front of your heads, but I just won't be having the time or the patience. But you know, I'm gonna take my time to learn if you guys give me some instructions on how to do it. So I could have left my puff like this, I could have, but I was like, you know what, let me put some rubber elastic bands just so it can, like, I don't know, look a little longer. But then I don't really think that worked. You guys can let me know if you think it worked or not. I thought it was gonna be like a little longer but still a little puffy, but it wasn't. It was longer but a little straight. It wasn't as puffy as I thought it was gonna be. And then I added some mousse at the end of my hairs and I braided it because I didn't want it to be too straight. I wanted some curls to be in there, so that's why you see me braiding it at the ends. So once you're satisfied with how your hair looks, you're going to want to put some mousse on there. And then get your satin scarf, wrap your head, and you can leave it for about like 30-40 minutes. I forget how long I left this for, but I think it was within the same day. Or it might have been the next morning. I don't know, guys. So this is how the hair came out, guys. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Let's get me to 500 subscribers, guys. We're almost there. Thank you guys for coming with me on a journey and sticking with your girl, you know. I'm gonna try to get more videos out there for you guys. I do have a lot recorded. I just need to edit them, guys, you know. I just need to edit and post them for you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Anymore.